Hello and welcome to Computology Academy. So today we are going to discuss a very important issue. मैं कभी ऐसी चीज़ों पर वीडियो नहीं बनाता हूँ, but this has become the need of the hour. This has become a situation when we need to stand with the students because from the full form of JPSC, what I have written, you people can understand what I am going to talk about. झारखंड प्रेफरेंशियल सर्विस कमीशन, और इस प्रेफरेंशियल को अगर हम लोग पर्सनल भी कह देना, झारखंड पर्सनल सर्विस कमीशन, then it will not be wrong at all, because time and again we are seeing this thing right from the first JPSC, that in JPSC exams time and again there are corruptions. Time and again the students, the meritorious students are getting weeded out, and because of that what is happening, they are forced to look after some other jobs in other states, and right in their state they are not getting their due share in the services just because of the corrupt practices, just because of the evil practices of the authoritative people, of the influential people. और यहाँ पर भी जब मैंने देखा, when I first of all came to see that 18 roll numbers were in series, then I thought that it might be a coincidence, but thereafter it started to appear that many of such series was there in the result of the prelims examination. कहीं पे 18 था, कहीं पे 22 है, somewhere it was 24, somewhere it was 20. So likewise there were too many of the roll numbers which are in series, and in total there are about more than 400 students which are having their roll numbers in series, and that too just from 3 districts, Lohardaga, Latehar and Sahibganj. Here the centers were managed, and because of that most of the students which are having their roll number in series, who have cleared the JPSC prelims exam, are from these centers, from these districts. So this is a very pathetic situation, very lamentable situation, and the students need to act on this, need to press their voice, as well as the politicians also need to take cognizance of this. And politicians के स्टेटमेंट सुनेंगे तो आप लोगों का और खून खौल जाएगा. One of the ruling party politician had said that कि हमसे क्या पूछते हैं, बीजेपी से जाके पूछिए, कांग्रेस से जाके पूछिए, उनकी सरकार के समय में भी यही चलता आ रहा था. सो दे आर बेसिकली सेइंग दैट कि पहले के जेपीएससी में भ्रष्टाचार होता रहा है, पहले के जेपीएससी में करप्शन होता रहा है, सो वी विल ऑल्सो डू दिस. Like they are saying that now it's our turn, now we are in power, so we are eligible to get in the services, our relatives, our family members, our known people. So this is the situation what the politicians are saying of the ruling party. So here it becomes a need of the hour to press your voice, to make them loud and to make the politicians hear. यही स्टूडेंट्स रिवॉल्यूशन था which had led to such a chaos in Gujarat that the government had to resign. So the students do not have that much of patience that could be tested for 21 years. झारखंड को बने हुए 21 साल हो गए. 15th November, on 15th November, Jharkhand will complete its 21 year of formation, of coming into existence, and in that time period there were only 7 JPSC. और 7वां प्रोसेस में ऐसा भी नहीं है कि 3 साल पर JPSC का एवरेज भी आएगा, it will go above this also, and all of them were dipped up to the neck in corruption. This is the situation of JPSC, and the students have enough, they have taken enough, and now it is the time to act. Now it is the time to make your voice so loud that the politicians should have to take cognizance of this thing. Otherwise, this is going to be a very pathetic situation. Time and again there will be notifications, there will be vacancies, and there will be no selection of the meritorious students. And the administrative system is also hampering. This state is for the people, not for the politicians. This country is for the people. not for the politicians. So we have to act on that. We have to make them learn that we are the people who have selected them. They are not autocratic rulers, so that they can do whatever they want. Time and again this has happened, and many of the students are saying that कि meritorious students भी तो निकले हैं, 4200 से ऊपर का रिजल्ट आया है. There are more than 4200 students who have got selected in the prelims, who have cleared the prelims. So here again it comes down to the story that out of this, most of them will again shift out in the mains examination. Pre में जितने निकाले सो निकाले, because they have to take care of only those students who are having their roll number in series. Thereafter, all those students who are meritorious, who have cleared the prelims exam after such a corruption, even such a high level of corruption and high level of cutoff, they will again be filtered out, they will again be weeded out in the mains examination. And thereafter also PT, पर्सनैलिटी टेस्ट भी है वहाँ पे, बाकी इंटरव्यू है. तो वहाँ तक जाते जाते सारे मेरिटोरियस स्टूडेंट साफ हो जाने हैं. That is why it is the need of the hour to take cognizance for the politicians. क्योंकि यहाँ पे अभी अगर इसमें सुधार नहीं किया गया तो ये चलता जाएगा, चक्र चलता जाएगा, विशियस साइकिल चलता जाएगा, और यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स इसमें पिसते रहेंगे. सो इट इज द टाइम to introduce changes, to make them answerable to the voice of the students. Authoritative type से ये ऐसे ही अगर चलता रहा, then all the students who are meritorious will never be in position to get good jobs, because all the high level official jobs will go to those people who are influential, their relatives, their known peoples. All those corrupt peoples will usurp the legitimate right of the meritorious students. So here it is the question of the legitimacy, and the politicians have to take care of this situation. Otherwise, the students already have enough, and the students are already gathering at the JPSC Commission's gate, and they have already made it clear that from 15th of November they are going to sit on the hunger strike, and thereafter the government will not be in position to console them, to take care of the situation, because after that there will be only one thing, that to take the corrective action. So why not the government is taking the corrective action right now, right there? Why they are going on to let the situation spiral down? So here I finish off, because students की आवाज़ को उठाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इसलिए सारे स्टूडेंट्स को ये ज़रूरी है कि ट्विटर पे जहाँ JPSC करप्शन का टैग हैशटैग ट्रेंड कर रहा है, उसे ट्रेंड करवाइए, उसे और फैलाइए. बहुत ज़रूरी है ये चीज़ करना, अदरवाइज ये सिचुएशन सुधरने वाला नहीं है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.